Some more continental success this evening. They're up against TP Mazembe from the Democratic Republic of Congo. And Nascimento has let him go through. He's looking for the offside. It's a bad mistake by Sundowns. It's not punished yet. Twice striking the crossbar Malongo. And what a let-off for Ricardo Nascimento.
Nascimento leaves the ball, appeals, and here we see the first touch against the pole, and there the second one. We must compliment Onyango, did ever so well to get a touch.
Well, that is a massive let-off for Mamelodi Sundowns. Oh, just over the top again as Mazembe with Sinkala strike from close range.
Once again, ball played across, and Sinkala coming close.
Taken away by Mabunda and Lafort. Here goes Lafort. Gets the ball inside here to Billiat, who's waiting for Tau. Billiat! Wild shot, wide a goal. Lafort into the penalty area. Still Lafort. They don't know what to do with him. Billiat gets the shot in. Keeper makes the save. Kekana was there for the follow-up. Still on the edge of the area. Here's Lafort. He's thinking of the shot. Lafort gets the strike in, and I'll tell you what, it almost snuck under the goalkeeper.
I think the smile there from the goalkeeper clearly shows he didn't read that one well, Mark. He was so fortunate. That ball almost snuck under him.
Ball inside here to Anthony Lafort. Klompo Kekana. He's going to strike! Straight at the goalkeeper.
Well, you want the ball to drop for Kekana. We know what a brilliant shot he possesses there. He drops for him. He strikes it, but straight at the keeper. And keeper didn't have to do much there, but powerfully struck ball there from Klompo Kekana.
To Mabunda, to Billiat. Billiat to Lafort. Lafort's onside. Lafort, tight angle. Oh, another chance goes a-begging. That's perhaps the best opportunity of the game.
Best opportunity by far. TP Mazembe were clearly tempting fate there, trying to play the offside, leaving Lafort in acres of space.
Mabunda is having another brilliant game. Here's Tau. Tau plays it back in again. Great save by the goalkeeper.
Great opportunity there. Mabunda doing ever so well. Unfortunately, the keeper was able to fluff that opportunity. You look at it here. Great pass to Tau. Tau weighs it well. Mabunda doing ever so well. Great 1-2 combination from Tau and Mabunda. Unfortunately, the keeper read it and made up for that fumble.
Tau again. Swane back to Tau, he's onside. Lining up here, Lafort, surely, what a save from the goalkeeper. Yeah, they come again. Mamelodi Sundowns, Kekana, he can't get it in, and a penalty's been given. Oh, that might be a little fortunate for Sundowns, but they need a bit of luck. They have been knocking on the door here, and eventually the Egyptian referee has handed the penalty. We'll get a better look in here on the slow-mo. Kekana, I thought he'd lost it there, and there was the challenge from around from Mpeko, the Brazilian, to win the Super Cup for the Brazilians. Ricardo Nascimento up against Sylvain Gobahu. Nascimento, Sundowns have the lead. The breakthrough comes with just 7 minutes to go. Final whistle, the winners of the African Super Cup for 2017 are Mamelodi Sundowns. The penalty from Ricardo Nascimento settles it, and it's another African trophy for the club from Pretoria and another successful night for South African football. Well, it's not going to go up in the air. Yes, it is. There it is. African Super Cup winners for 2017, the 25th time that this tournament or this one-off match has been held, and Mamelodi Sundowns will celebrate tonight. They win it for the very first time.